We as black people are very, very fortunate in South Africa. We are very fortunate. The problem is that we do not recognize our fortune. And I really hope and pray that we do not actually see that we were fortunate when it is too late. We are really fortunate to have a man, a leader like Ubaba Jacob Zuma. Someone who is willing to sacrifice himself in order to challenge the system and to expose its inconsistencies. It is up to us whether we absorb the lessons that this man is dishing out now, or we wait until all we can do is regret.